12, 13, 14. We have 14 votes. 14. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. We have 41 votes. Quando qui quiero para boro, para bongwen, Pierre Rio, Pierre Michel, Pierre Rio, Pierre Dek, Pierre Ngwen, Pierre Bich, Pierre Michel, Pierre Bill, Pierre Boro, Pierre Bongwen, Pierre Dek, Pierre Michel, Pierre Rio, Pierre Dek, Pierre Ngwen, Pierre Bich, Pierre Michel, Pierre Bill, Pierre Boro, Pierre Bongwen, Pierre Ngwen, Pierre Ngwen Michel. NRM.
We came here in position to vote. But as we told you at the beginning, that this election is not going free and fair because the other side, as you can see, they has been taken by all uniform. No, let me explain myself. We are on uniform and we are not in uniform. And that is why you're seeing Now let me ask as fast as electoral officials, first we gave time for now, in the course of mobilization, I am not here to discuss issues. Now what I am saying is, today is the day for election. Now you will be heard in your petition. Can we allow this election to continue? Because if you don't allow the election to continue, how will you write petition that will be heard? You see, I want to be called upon you. Let us not misguide our people. Let's allow the election to continue. The petition will be heard. I want to tell you, I can even the petition was submitted before the election. It was
Okay, the man is coming.
Okay.
By the time the petition reached, all our members were interfered. The petition is waiting for the legal team to come. When they come, the petition
and the election will go on. My question is like this. Me, I know our father, our Excellency, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, doesn't segregate. But here we are seeing segregation. One side is having the uniform number. Election is in the heart. Election is in the heart, not in the uniform. What shows that we are together? Our program,
the yellow and non-yellow.
No, it has happened. The gate will go out. You don't want to be a boy.
Okay, but then we know we have been sent to come and do.
We are not NRM. And we shall give our vote.
Security team beyond the land. Order. Let us proceed. Yes. We are continuing. Please, no movement in the middle. No movement.
Piero Bungwen, Piera Dek, Pidera Chel, Pidera Rio, Pidera Dek, Pidera Ngwen, Pidera Bi, Pidera Bichel, Pidera Biro, Pidera Boro, Pidera Bungwen.
Then we have publicity, we have two. We have Okui Patrick and Obang Moses Obua.
Publicity, Okui Patrick and Moses Obua.
We have General Secretary, we have Omara Boni and Odongo Henry Jackson.
Omara
Boni.
Not here. Madame Christine.
My district, you better carry the knowledge. Why would you marry the I'm controlling treasurer Sokene, each sub counties, the parishes. You know me, one bill to the Peho, the Carachon, Oberni Mano, have resources more than your Beratier, you cannot hear. Pay planning Pierre Kikare. Two couple planning Pierre Kikare, Mio. 2 minutes,
please. Time.
After quiet, you know, Kita Tiu Kere, Carachon, you did the government.
Time up. You come. The cameras is seeing, we are having the record of everything. In the name of NRM, we shall unite and sing NRM. NRM, oh yeah! Yes.
Obahudu road. Yes, when you. Obambe. Karadusu. Obambe. Ana binu me kwa yukisa. Kawa yi ujome pashu. Nepo kani ya uni yetenge kani woruni ye. Ana ya mekwa yokisa kachencha wao yiwu uni ngeo ana tiu pako boticha. Ana chung Lira district kerure north kerure south. Ana chung mekwa kolin. Tunya tia chwe nen kami tubinu. Uchungu nungenyi manpati NRM. UPC tia korwa. Nup tia korwa kila le tia korwa. Kai keru mupati kwa gome na tetiri niene. Yiru malkucha nena duonglo pene nunu. Iperu no tinuki. Yeruno tela wantu chupere NRM kari druku yela kari pe druku yelo. Ma unu politik tosi unu laina kari druku unu yelo ya unu malo tin pashu. Man Lira district kai pogu Lira district ario. Oko unu wanga beach. Man kon me wanga beach. Ana ko biwu. Ana chung me wako limu kamelim ana gogo. Mwachogwa otoewa. Oterowa. Ya unu malu torowa atarwa amegena. Mia unu queen yene mona ye goho. Daho gene ana ko biwu ana chui lai. Ana chung me no tuwu. An papoha pe ana puo ba meji hukum.
Thank you.
Wako party. Ngata me along me wako party. Yelben ngata me dok party. Kere fera me wuni mie me chato party. Wano nero wuro Kinja mete chuoni utika cheke di tinowa. Ame magi tamani mie office te tike office amo mie meti kete me no me rokiato party. Ela na kobone e ke unugeni koma be la lopiu yo publicity NRM. Bina ni lo kama not to wa du chara chele ko ti unu ti we president Museveni no kwira duong Lira. Dana kobone mono binu ti yu e ke unugeni koma. Ako bone chawa na dompete duong ba me polo mi ko kacha me romo
2 minutes
ko yemata
Moses ahomi uno.
Mumere! Lira district oye! Irune North oye! Irune South oye! Oreme unu, jona me party me NRM. Ame ogwo party keru kara light. Wacha boru. Party waroti yeni party tit law one duchu. Party did law and duchu. Amita kwa uni ketu yipati go yipati tikuko pekele kujipati. Mario party ameti utishi yeni party tikere chik. Party miringe chik me party. Dan yera wana yera niti chik me party. So anakwa uni wudio na me rure nos analo kara like piru. Bola uno queer pin duana lo Lira district abiru kwa kupati hu abiru lo piru yen poko yipato mi otela wa meti pin ya denu sha otela wa tipi kana liya no hotel wa iye
2 minutes 2 minutes
amaru lumne tine no sha ya tia chwe kuya cake pijo poko yipati kuruana tika li jato utika li wenye meti abiru nyim ameso kozo mere ngata na ko ngata twero atike ni gumu mendo tojo medu ripoti kile atike ni gumu mendo ile jo ati soko zuba atike ni horsepower mendo jo UPC jero kulika bala bukani oye urem ya urupi
Poya to Patrick.
Book. Ana bino machiel medu gojo karachiel yipati me NRM. Mobile mobilization. Me ario picha kadong jowa Adoni and especially would come ticket teacher take Annabelle office, running office. Kunwani only all the flag bearers were sub county the district pero NRM kiken. Umeto yellow Lira district. Point 12 Obama for the hukumate.
Boni me my word engineer Moses.
NRM oye NRM oye Nia engineer Henry Jackson Odom. Opes General Secretary Wanamituni, Leonardo Pano. NRM Wame National Nanotati Masters. Man engineer at Masters, Neo Moetim. Go Bedo, Wanapane Carpenter, one of the two. Nenu Dana Kauchum, commanding respect. Opes General Secretary Bedo, not to make out in office, when you have Moragoina. Kati office kay oru chumni wu jote wu taro Kampala ngato be general secretary pero ngato me kuri jo nena po pape party anena na uri pambe to chumo woro kan eta chumpi ken mane imana jaya wote chu na be ya ame to pero ken general secretary be party ay ko party apoyo ye
NRM dane amira ko ta ko nyiko faciel ni wane moti kan beauty kere kara whether yellow blue or red bon queen kana me chunyu teri ni atelo ber ngata me romo telo jo Lira district obinu nywaro otina rio no betino rude atina chel rune rure north atina chel rune rure south iting rune ka japo kichem upogoro rom kami yuginoro mioro rom ana chui nyingu kanne ko boni yera me timme NRM mi wanu ngiyo kuna beri jo adon ameteri kutungi ni kindu ya rule south Agnes Linda Uma ya rule south honorable Same Ngola ya rule south one day rule north ko ni pe monu wan pola dong ka pokku pogoro rom dong anu ko boni kangi to yera karo yera watari ibodi kanoro e de ku dong ja oberwe rule north ano ko yo na mako Dangani yeni kau ko beroram kiti nuti kekare. Ana tikere ngeti romo, atikere master degree in maloni institutional leadership and management. Amen you do young ta chalman pero biru gina tek borra. Kai bini mapishina ako ko lebor ken kai mi do lemono lebi Swahili leba ganda ko dingo. Nitakanya nyaga kiswa ya nyoka paka kama nalia masozi bola huru kui.
George.
Yelo la nyukwi. Yelo bina lie. Abero George Abdul. Kenka wanu loho Abinu Maybe I look on comment and Lira district. PM history meti temetiu unoroma na habiru won kom. Eba ko ni wek jo ame habiru won kom bedi ana bedi tayari. Mewe onen kire ke lo Lira karakiel. Wan tau biru ping ungeli Lira mi be Lira district. Lira be ko heri ule north ule south. Kaini ni chama na bit ya irure north. Alu chama na bit ya irure north. Ngatu ko kinorpe ye bien tiki to wotango abe. Wandu jiberu kinme panya kiel. Ina me ukele ju obermene no ni uchu horote party wa we honen party sukena me pili general election. Ameni rutu NRM Lira district. Do ana ko biwini tinka wanu logo duj. Ina mpam ni abal chawa. Dia unuka wuha ini Abdul, we have a good comment and Lira district. Oba mi want to shukum.
We are going straight for election.
Let's take note of then candidates leave us this meetup place. Leave us this place.
Honorable Christine is
Aquang Town Council. Adiga Francis.
One side only. One side only. Why?
Where is you count people?
Shell, Pilbor we are Rio, Pilbor we are Dick, Pilbor we are Wen, Pilbor we are Beach, Pilbor we are Michelle, Pilbor we are Bill, Pilbor we are Bor, Pilbor we are Bongwen, Pilbor we are Shell, Pilbor we are Rio, Pilbor we are Dick, Pilbor we are Wen, Pilbor we are Beach, Pilbor we are Michelle, Pilbor we are Bill, Pilbor we are Bor, Pilbor we are Bongwen, yes, Shell. Pilbir Wen, Pilbir Beach, Pilbir Michelle, Pilbir Bor, Pilbir Bor, Pilbir Bongwen, Pilbir Bor, Pilbir Michelle, Pilbir Rio, Pilbir Dick, Pilbir Wen, Pilbir Beach, Pilbir Michelle. Para Dick. Then Kello Christine Obang Bokada Hop no Premier Chen Pira Bomanayo. So meanwhile declaring Kello Christine as Finance Secretary in NRM Lira District. Why you do? Would you will read the next section? Malukusha.
NRM oye! Ra! Thank you very much, my NRM voters. I love you all. I have my nice meeting somewhere where can I have the candidates for vice and the publicity secretary coming from both sides? Where are they? That is publicity. Go there. Do we have candidates for vice? Vice? Vice chair? Vice chair? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Para Nguen, para Bit, para Michel, para Bir, para Boro, para Bungwen, Pierre Rio. Pero a Michel, pero a Rio, pero a Dek, pero a Nguen, pero a Bit, pero a Michel, pero a Bir, pero a Boro. A Bir, a Boro, Bungwen, para Michel, para Rio.
Them, they cannot come here because they have already tagged them. So how many?
So he is a voter.
Yeah, I'm alone.
He's a voter.
Yeah, have we voted?
Yeah, it's one.
We party
Have we voted?
One.
take a green a chair into the committee.
NRM made, eh? They went to line NRM made.
Our General Secretary candidates have something to say. We are going to give him an opportunity to say whatever he wants to say. Okay?
Tu puedes decir, no, mi lo que te viniera, que ya o que le voy lo que fue viniera para. En el otro medio, no tocan más que por meco, porque no ya lo contestan.
Hey, all right.
Let's listen. Let's listen. In NRM, we listen to one another. Let's listen. Let's listen. Let's listen.
So, election, you can.
will guide you and me. Yes. Whoever is intimidated with the elections, now the petition will be heard. And when the petition will be heard, the result of the petition will determine the next level of events. But for now, we are proceeding with the election. I request we cooperate. Thank you. But before that, Honorable Sam, you can come. Now, Honorable Sam is going to tell us what he has. I don't know what he has that he's going to tell this nation. I want him to talk, and it will be in record. First, as a electoral commission, we came here. The process of conducting election was going on, but towards the end, we are beginning to feel some level of violence. This we shall not take for granted. Thank you.
Madam Chairperson, first of all, I want to thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to address our people of NRM in Lamu. One, yesterday we had a consultative meeting called by you in the production office. Both of us, the candidates, who attended the meeting very well. The minutes are there. We agreed in the meeting, and you repeated 3 times that whoever comes here should not wear yellow. That's why I'm not wearing yellow. And it is on record. You have worked as a commissioner in the ladies' election where you are saying 41, 41, 41. That is a sign. You have seen the one of the information where Mr. Okwil got 1 vote and you saw the line, only yellow, which is very bad. Therefore, we as NRM don't want division. We are not going to accept any election. We will walk out, and thank you very much. I want to thank Honorable Leader for the good meeting we had in the office there. We had 3 people's meeting. It was very successful. But when we added another 2, 3, 4 people, it got spoiled. So we can't accept that, and we want a free, fair election. You want to call us? Nobody should wear yellow. That is direct, where you can see and know that election is not fair. If you want, give us time. I also go and buy clothes for these people here. Then we compete, and then we know the competition is fair. I have already 8 people of mine who are locked outside there. They can prove by you calling them and seeing that they have not voted there at the gate. Those who came from Romo, those who came from Ugu, they are outside there, and the councillor. We had agreed that we, the candidates, should not be at the gate. I have been sitting there quietly since I came here. I have never sat here or talked here. But there is no free and fair election today. I thank everybody. Bye-bye, Uno.
Honorable Sam and your team. I also thank you people for coming in. This state of of election was duly communicated to all candidates, and all candidates were given time. All candidates were given time to mobilize for their votes. And we as Electoral Commission were not in any way part of mobilization for any candidate. Yesterday when we were having meeting, all the candidates were in the meeting where I said no candidate shall be allowed in with his voters or her voters when that candidate is having his photo or anything that will like having your photo basically. I said only NRM t-shirts or dresses, the only photo that I will allow in is the one for President Museveni. So in the record of that, I remain in the record. I repeated it 3 times. This is NRM structural election, and anything that we are doing, we do it in line with the NRM guidelines. Therefore I say, I have not allowed in the things that we disagreed on, that we refused. There is no candidate who has come inside here with his or her photo as we agreed. I have not seen. So if the point of this agreement is about yellow, NRM, those people have put on yellow. Honorable Sam, if he had declared people in yellow, nobody will refuse them. So I say, Honorable, you are leaving. I wish you well. The process of election is continuing. Please maintain silence. The process of election is continuing. Why? Because from the officers they have guided us that the elections should be continued. If you cannot allow, to me, I am saying the elections should be continued. My DA is going to read the names of the candidates. We shall read the names of the voters in line with our electoral laws. We proceed. If you have issues that has offended you, or if you feel there are problems in this process of election, kindly write petition. Bring your petition to NRM Secretariat. The petition will be handled. With due respect, I want to call the DEO to continue with the election process. Thank you very much, our dear NRM voters.
We are not going. We are not going. You shoot us. Shoot us. We are not going. No, let's not do it. You want to kill us.
all the candidates around talk on microphone. Thank you. If people are not ready for elections, I should fill all the positions and oppose for those who want. Thank you. Yeah. Let's move this way. For those who want to go, let them go. Yes, please. for our Secretary General. I want to announce this. I want to say officially the rest of the positions that were not elected, I'm leaving it for the center to take decision upon. Thank you very much. Let everybody go. Did you say you're a security person? So the center will take a decision. Let's wait to hear from. Let's hear and hear from the center. Thank you very much. I wish all of you well. You can now go home. Please leave this ground. We can leave this ground right now. Let us all leave this ground. We are done with our elections right now until the center talks. Thank you.
More NRM than others. And there are some people who feel that they are the one to lead NRM. They fear competition, they fear free and fair election, they want to dictate and also mistreat NRM members. That is Samengola. Last time, he brought in fake voters from Entrepreneurship and Workers' League. Yet our guidelines of NRM states clearly that those who were elected, the 5 members of Entrepreneurship and Workers' Leagues, are the one eligible to vote for the district structural positions. But Samengola, I don't know whether it's just dull, he didn't know how to interpret the guidelines after the election of Workers and Entrepreneurship, in connivance with the registrar of NRM, wanted the election to be done whereby the voters under Entrepreneurship and Workers' Leagues were supposed to vote, which was illegal. And now when he learned, the registrar learned in connivance with Samengola that what he was doing was wrong, he said that there was a petition that they were hiding voters. And there was a petition on Women's League without justification. He used that power to postpone the elections. Now when the regional office came on site that very day, the regional office said that the next day immediately on 24th, election will be conducted. When Samengola was approached, he refused. And the NRM secretariat adhered to his concern and pushed the election for today. Today's election was mainly for the positions that had remained. That is the Women's League and the mainstream elections. Now he saw that I have mobilized more than him because the number of voters that were supposed to vote in this, including the LC5 NRM flag bearers and councillors, LC3 executives and workers and entrepreneurship, we were 360 voters. And for me, I had 222 voters, whereby by average I was above Samengola. If I calculate, he was having less than 150 voters. So he realized that it wasn't going to do well for him. And in the morning, he started mobilizing hooligans, borders, to come and disrupt the exercise, of which they have disrupted the exercise. mounting pressure. Yet, this is a party election. An NRM party has a color that is yellow with a blue, red, and green. And I wonder, even if we go to Nambole where national positions are elected, people would be in yellow. But now I'm wondering why he's behaving like opposition. How can you say you're NRM and you ate yellow color? Now you see my people very smart, and this is my ambition and interest that NRM should shine in Lira district. And Samengola, this is just a sample. I am willing, ready to transform, mobilize, and encourage the Wananchi of Lira district to join NRM. And with the action, not just hooliganism. So I'm not scared because I know I have mobilized. I know my people love me. Lira people doesn't want Samengola. Why do you force yourself on people who do not want you? He went bribing people 200,000, demobilizing them not to come for the election. People refused this money and came for the election. Why do you want to force yourself when people do not want you? That you are the one who brought NRM. If by the time 86 I was old like you, I would have joined NRM with you. But I joined because of age. I have equally suffered as a young person. So I would like to send this message to the President of the Republic of Uganda. Is NRM only for old people? You are an elder, but you have accommodated all of us. Why are some people personalizing NRM? That the leadership should be theirs. Even if they postpone this election for 10 years, I will still contest. I say this for God and my country.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.